Ya Sipali, umama kaUyanda la. Mntanam, siyivile i-apology yakho, whether it was genuine or not. Siyivile, and we forgive you. Now, going forward, focus on your brand. If you get interviews and they ask you about uYanda, just tell them no comment. You already apologized and you're moving on. Close that chapter and focus on your brand. Swizz is making it out there. He has done far worse. So I'm sure now your brand will pick up. Just focus on it. Yeka into yaka uYanda. Sikuvile, si right. Umntwanam is focusing on his bag. He's focusing on being Amachila's ambassador, Galaxy, and 100 other things. Sikuvile. Sicela ungathethi nga uYanda anymore. And the hatred was not coming from uYanda. It was uYanda's family on social media. Abantu bathanda uYanda. uYanda's other mothers, fathers, brothers, sisters, uncles, and it's understandable when we saw the ill treatment of umntana wethu in the house. Isiphathe kabuhlungu, and obviously we will retaliate. So it's a lesson to you and anyone else who thinks that being a bully is cool. It's not. So for every action, there's a reaction. There's a consequence for it. And I guess you learned yours. Now focus on your brand. We forgive you. Mal poster ama content. Just close the comments because some people are still healing. Some of the mothers and the fathers out there are still healing. And just focus on your content and ignore the negativity and focus on your brand. Izinto zakho sizoba right eventually, but sicela uyeke umntwana wethu manje. Sikhathele, sivile i-apology yakho. Now, focus on you. Forgive yourself. I'm sure God has forgiven you, but yeke umntwana manje. We wish you all the best. We hope things will pick up for you as well. But just wanted to address that. Civili apology yakho mntaname. No, focus on yourself. Isibonona se-country, sicela usiyeke manje. Izindlebe zakhe ziyababa because you keep on talking about him. Sicela uyeke isibonono iqanda le-country manje and focus on you. Good luck. And to all those who were saying that uSipali is innocent in the comment section and saying that uYanda is not that innocent, it's your time to shine now. Come together, donate for uSipali. Nan numusapoteng. How? You guys can comment on the section, but you are failing to support him. Support uSipali. Niqedile manje ke. Forever uYanda newo hlangabezo iqanda le-country isiponono uYanda lo uYanda nezamalele.